Yeah, we're taking a little break for Saturday Morning Cartoons. I got Jeff here, and I tell you what, from Mugs and Hugs, why don't you explain to everybody what that is? This is our third year with you guys now.
Yeah, boy, the time's going fast.
Yep.
This will be our third annual Mugs and Hugs event, and it's been very successful the last couple of years.
A lot of people here, a lot of kids.
And had a lot of fun because we have a lot of things going on. During Mugs and Hugs, they had a little pony here. We believe they're going to be back. Face painting and all this sort of stuff going on. You guys put a lot together on that. And we give out a mug with a can of root beer so they can have themselves a root beer mug. It's all about getting the kids ID'd. The Masonic Lodges of Minnesota and Wisconsin, but it is Minnesota that's doing it here for us. The Trinity Lodge. They come over with their equipment and they do this nationwide. They will take a height, weight, also get a voice print and a picture and actually a video on it, and they put it on a DVD for mom to take home. If something was to happen, which nowadays it seems to be happening more and more, you can hand this disc to the police department, even the squad car, and they can get it onto the Amber Alert in less than minutes instead of like 18 to 24 hours that it can normally take.
You know, and Jeff, this is one of the biggest. This is actually one of the biggest fears that, and we, you know, we had our two sons. One of the biggest fears parents and grandparents have is one of their kids getting abducted, and then all of a sudden, through all that hysteria and everything that's going on, you're not thinking properly, and all of a sudden you go, "What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?" They're missing, Amber Alert, all this stuff. Now they're going to be trained that this disc is sitting in, and the father and mother have this disc of the child. They, like I said, they can immediately make it available to the authorities, and they can get it out immediately. And without this, it's a lot tougher on the law enforcement. So if you're doing this for the kids, it's absolutely free to the public, right?
Correct. And we ask that you, if you did it last year, do it again. Do it each year to update. That, because it's an exact picture of the way the kids do look instead of maybe a Photoshop.
And this doesn't go all off in the internet to all these different people and stuff. Nope. You actually have control of this yourself at home.
This is your CD, and they don't keep any of the information, and it helps law enforcement. They do support this program because it does help so much getting the information out fast and accurate information. In the first 24 hours, they'll tell you is the most crucial when someone is missing.
So let us help you, help the police, help you is what this is all about. Hey, what's the date?
May 5th. It's a Saturday. The event will be going on 10 until 1. We do this every year, and the Masonic Lodge will be here, and a bunch of other people that are helping us out. And of course, Benna Ford has been great in supporting us.
Of course, look at Jeff. He's already wearing his clown outfit, so I mean, he's all good to go. So I tell you what.
Yeah, every day is a circus for me.
I tell you what, keep that open May 5th. Mark it down in the calendar. I tell you, it's the right thing to do with the kids. And I want to thank you guys for everything you do.
Well, thanks for having us, Pat.
Absolutely. We'll go back to the show.